Today I'm going to unbox tempered glass for the Infocus Vision 3. Let's start. So this is the cardboard like thing. Now I'm going to open it. Wow, it looks really good. And there are, I guess, some type of tissue is given to remove wet and dry. This is how it is given. I'm going to keep this aside. And this is tempered glass, guys. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks really cool. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.